With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question is the most basic nitrogen in the following compound is. So this is the compound given to us. Now basic nitrogen. So the most basic will be the nitrogen which can easily donate its electron pairs. Easily donate its electron pair. So if we consider like any R atom, that is alkyl group, present with this NH2 group, then this alkyl group is electron donating. So it will increase the basis, it will increase the density around the nitrogen atom. So this nitrogen atom will be most basic. Now if we consider any electron withdrawing group present here, G present here, which is the electron withdrawing, so it will withdraw the electron towards itself. Hence it will decrease the density around nitrogen here. So it will be least basic. So let's discuss in this compound. So here if we see the first nitrogen, then the nitrogen is this H atom. So this is present and this is present, and this is attached to a group here like this. So now what happens if we see this electrons on the nitrogen, there are 4 electrons here and it is involved in this ring in the aromaticity. So it is involved in the ring in aromaticity. That is, it is conjugated, planar, has 6 pi electrons. So what happens is this one will be not be basic. So the basicity decreases as the lone pairs are involved in aromaticity here. So the next one, second one. So if we see the second nitrogen, it is present as, here it is NH2 group, here it will be C double bond O group, here it will be this group present here, and here is a nitrogen atom, and this nitrogen will be attached to the next one, and this carbon atom here. So this is the second nitrogen present here. So if we see the second nitrogen, then the electrons on the second nitrogen, then the electrons present on the second nitrogen are involved like this. This is involved in conjugation, so we will be observing here. So this NH2 positive. Now this will have double bond, this is have single bond like this. So this lone pair is also not now, this lone pair on the nitrogen atom is also not is involved in conjugation here. So it won't be basic, much basic. So the basicity decreases here also. Now the third nitrogen that is present here is this. So if we see this nitrogen, this is somewhat of pyridine ring. So the nitrogen is this. So in this case, the nitrogen, the lone pairs on the nitrogen atom is most basic as it is not involved in this aromatic pi system. So this third nitrogen is most basic. Now the fourth nitrogen which is present here is this. Here it will be C double bond O. Here it will be N CH3 whole twice. Now here it will increase the electron density. This CH3 groups will increase the electron density on this nitrogen, but it won't donate as it is involved in conjugation with this oxygen atom here. So this nitrogen atom will also not be that basic. So the answer here is this one, third one. So we have seen in this compound that the third one is most basic as this ring is somewhat of pyridine ring and the nitrogen atoms are not involved in the aromaticity here. So this is the most basic. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.